Okay, and welcome back. So in this section, I'm going to show you how to optimize part two, how to optimize your landing page specifically on the actual content itself. So in part one, we learned about how to optimize our website pages, the meta description and meta tags. Now we're going to learn about how to optimize our page with the actual page in itself. So the content that the readers see. Okay, so now we've selected a page on the website. We've already optimized the meta tags, meta description that the client will that the information will be shown to Google. Now we're actually optimizing the page itself. So again, our main focus keyword is digital marketing agency Ireland. So we want to ensure that we have the digital marketing agency content within that. So the first goal is to make sure that the images are optimized, and we need to change the in the code in the back end. It's designed like the following: so image, and then they say out. So we want to put our keywords in the out description. So if you have WordPress, again, this is how you do it. If your website isn't WordPress, just do it. Find in a way in which you can change the out section of the actual image itself. So in this case, you will see here that we have the image. We can click on the image. Once we clicked on the image, we go to that particular image, and on the right hand side in WordPress, it says alt text. So in here, we can put in our keyword. We can then put in also comma and do it again, but change the digital marketing agency Ireland to digital marketing agency Dublin. We can then lastly put another one saying marketing agency Ireland. Okay, so therefore we can also, if we'd like, say, so our title, we have SEO courses, SEO courses, which is what this tag was about, SEO courses, because we sell courses on SEO. So that's fine. So once we've done that, we've saved this keyword. Now this image has now been optimized based on what it is. So when users go to it, they can find out the title. And then in the out section, you've told Google what it is by putting in the keyword. Now, what we need to ensure here is to have H1. And so anytime we optimize a website, we always need to ensure that on the actual website itself, let me give you a quick drawing here. On the website itself, on the on-site, we need to have we need to have the H1. We need to have a H1. We need to then, number two, have a H2 in order for the website to be fully optimized. And then number three, we need to ensure that we have the keyword, at least keyword on the paragraph. So it's presented like paragraph, like that. We need to ensure that we have the keyword mentioned at least 6 times if possible. And then the other thing we need to ensure that we do is to have links. So we need to have links. So we need to have inbound links and outbound links okay, so these are the things that we need to ensure to have. Now again, with the inbound links, we want to have at least, these are links that are going from page to page on our website, so we want to make sure we have at least 4 of them, the website being linked to each other. Then we want to make sure to have at least 2 or more links that go from our website to another website on the web, preferably not the client, not a competitor of the client. So in the H1, if possible, we want to make sure we have our keyword. So at least that's our keyword counted once. We also want to make sure we have our keyword in the H2 if possible. That's our keyword counted the second time. And then, so in total, in the paragraph, we want to make sure we have at least 4 or 5 times, so that in total, we have our keyword is mentioned 6 times minimum, with the inbound and outbound links also mentioning the keyword if possible. Okay, now what you have to understand is how you create the outbound links. We will make a section at the bottom of our page called tags, and in tags we will list out keywords and highlight them so that they are links. So we'll have like a series, we'll have in total 6 keywords, so 4 mentioning the different parts of our website as a link. Then we'll have another 2 that will take the website visitors to go to see maybe Wikipedia or so. Okay, let's go do this. So how does this work in practice? In practice, this works in the following. If I can just find my page here. Where is the page? Okay, I think we have lost the page. Okay. Oh, there we go. So this is our H1. We want to make sure we have H1 at the start. So we have H1 in here. And in this case, we say 12-day SEO challenge. And we want to also perhaps put in our keyword digital marketing uh, agency Ireland in here, if possible. So that's that. Now, this isn't going to read well to our clients because those who are coming onto the website will be coming from all sorts of the planet. And when they see 12-day SEO challenge digital marketing agency Ireland, it might read so well. So we will just say digital marketing agent, digital marketing. We'll just say digital marketing in this case, okay, because the opportunity is not there for us to use the full keyword. So we save that. Now, what we'll need to have again is a H2. So in this case, what we could do is we can make this a H2. And in this case, if we're going to do that, we optimize that. And if it's WordPress, again, if it's not WordPress, go ahead and work around it by, now in here, we could say digital marketing agency Ireland. If, again, you've got to fit the keyword to fit so it's appropriate to the website landing page. I am using these as an example, but again, you know, if you use digital marketing agency Ireland when you're trying to rank for SEO, it's not going to work for you. So you use it based on the page and the keyword itself so that it makes sense. But this is just an example. But we would have in here as a H2, perhaps we'd have another H2 in here with the keyword itself. Now, if you shouldn't have H2, you should have H1, H2, and if you can, H3, so that Google understands the layout of your website. So we can leave it in there. And then again, we could speak about, in here, we talk about, do you have a website? Have you ever tried to search your website on Google? And so this is a sales description for SEO. Now, because we've mentioned Digital Marketing Agency Ireland, we could also put in tags at the bottom and say digital marketing agency, digital marketing agency Ireland, digital marketing agency Dublin, marketing agency. Now, we've repeated this. We have the keyword in here, digital marketing agency Ireland. We also have supporting keywords, long tail keywords, digital marketing agency Dublin, marketing agency, digital marketing agency. We could say Ireland because we want to be focused. Now, these are six, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 keywords. Now we can have another 2 that talk about SEO and maybe AdWords, and if we want Facebook ads. So what we need to do is link these keywords. So digital marketing agency, we can link this keyword. Again, if you're using a different platform, you can go ahead and in our case, we can select straight from here. So we can say URL. We can show them about we can talk to them about a different section of our website. So in this case, we could say, you know, we can link them there, and then we link this keyword as well to another page. So you continue on, go ahead, link them all to where they need to go. And then, you know, so again, if you're specifically speaking about like SEO, if that was your product or whatever your product is, whatever your business is, you just link them to different pages of your website. So make sure you have at least 4 pages linked around your website so that Google understands how to navigate your website. And then you can then, let me just complete this one. And then lastly, what you want to do is to ensure that you have at least two other keyword outbound links. Sorry. So here, okay, here's the outbound links. What we can do is we can select SEO, go to Wikipedia, and type in what is SEO. Once we figure it out, so here is a We can show them Moz, for example. Take the link from Moz and place this link on here, save it, and even AdWords, we can do the same. So what this will do to Google is, by you referencing AdWords, by you referencing outside of Google. So we're going to Wikipedia now and finding a link. So AdWords, Wikipedia, by you referencing on Google about the topic in hand onto another section of the web, it shows that to Google that you've done research. So Google looks at your site as somewhat of a trustworthy website. And again, we can link this particular keyword into a different section of the website. So just in summary, now we have the keyword digital marketing agency once. We have it up here. We also have it in the description, meta description. We have the keyword the third time over in this section. We have our 4 links going around the web, and then around our website we have another 2 to 3 links going outside of our website. Now we can also add more content at the bottom of this site to talk more about digital marketing. But ultimately, with SEO Yoast, you can see that we're now in the green. So by continuing to follow on what they have asked you to do, we will then get a green, a highlighted section on our website on SEO Yoast, telling us that this website is now fully optimized. Now, we have done good at the moment. You can see good so far. We have the meta description, we have images, we have inbound links going around the website, with internal links, they call them here. We have a title, and we've never used this keyword. So always make sure that you use the keyword once for each page. Don't duplicate another page and try to rank for Digital Marketing Agency Ireland as well. It won't work. You got to differentiate each keyword or each page. And obviously, that's enough to do what you need to do. But if you can continue on to improve that page by following the suggestions on SEO Yoast, or if you don't have SEO Yoast, you continue on making longer blog forms and writing more, then you will ultimately increase and improve your optimization for that individual page. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that. That's all you need to do in order to rank the on-site SEO and optimize a particular page on a website. Okay, thank you. See you on the other side.